Hey there, welcome to Site Boosters. If you're into tech tips that make life easier, fascinating facts you've never heard before, and the latest updates in cloud computing, AI, and all things tech, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Let's dive right into the video.
The last of Google Cloud's core storage options we're going to explore is Cloud Bigtable. Cloud Bigtable is Google's NoSQL Big Data database service. It's the same database that powers many core Google services, including Search, Analytics, Maps, and Gmail. Bigtable is designed to handle massive workloads at consistent low latency and high throughput, so it's a great choice for both operational and analytical applications, including Internet of Things, user analytics, and financial data analysis. When deciding which storage option is best, customers often choose Bigtable if they're working with more than 1 terabyte of semi-structured or structured data, data is fast with high throughput or it's rapidly changing, they're working with NoSQL data. This usually means transactions where strong relational semantics are not required. Data is a time series or has natural semantic ordering. They are working with big data running asynchronous batch or synchronous real-time processing on the data, or they're running machine learning algorithms on the data. Cloud Bigtable can interact with other Google Cloud services and third-party clients. Using APIs, data can be read from and written to Cloud Bigtable through a data service layer like managed VMs, the HBase REST server, or a Java server using the HBase client. Typically, this is used to serve data to applications, dashboards, and data services. Data can also be streamed in through a variety of popular stream processing frameworks like Dataflow Streaming, Spark Streaming, and Storm. And if streaming is not an option, data can also be read from and written to Cloud Bigtable through batch processes like Hadoop MapReduce, Dataflow, or Spark. Often, summarized or newly calculated data is written back to Cloud Bigtable or to a downstream database.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.